an old dog, the new tricks, kicking dust from my traveling boots. Never too old, try something new. Every mile brings a fresh...
These things are called thongs. These are as Australian as meat pies and the footy, and regarded as highly fashionable. In Australia, a thong goes on your foot. Anything else is a misunderstanding. We wear them to the beach, the shops, the servo, and occasionally places with rules. And that slapping sound that you're hearing? This thong is on borrowed time. So you're walking along, all of a sudden this happens. So when that happens, you've got two choices. What do? Well, it's cheap, just throw it in the bin. Or we could go and buy ourselves a loaf of bread. A loaf of bread? Why would you buy a loaf of bread, you ask? For one of these, the tags off the bread. Now watch closely. Oh yes, feed that in carefully. It's like surgery. And voila. Good as new. These thongs have now become a heritage listed item. Who said you can't teach an old dog new tricks? You're welcome.
An old dog, the new tricks, kicking dust from my traveling boots. Never too old, try something new.